Hello everyone. This is a demonstration of how to use the Stax English Games app. So when you first open up the app, you will land on this page here. Now this page allows you to optionally purchase the IELTS reading and listening course for just $1. You can join the course by clicking Study Now, and it will redirect you to a page where you can pay just $1 and enroll in our IELTS reading and listening course. However, if you click up here in the corner, you can see that there are many other things available with the app, such as podcasts, videos, audiobooks, books, course books, and worksheets. Further down, we have a huge range of different games. We have grammar games, we have vocabulary games, we have games for sentence structure and for spelling and even for speaking. If you want to download the Games app for free, there is a link below in the description. If you don't have an Android phone, don't worry at all. You can actually download Bluestacks, which is an Android emulator, and you can then download the Android app and you can play it on your computer using Bluestacks. To download Bluestacks, just go to www.bluestacks.com/download.html and just click Download Now. Once you've done that, you will be able to play the Stax English Games app just on your computer.